best bodyweight exercises you should be doing. There is absolutely no shortage of bodyweight exercises for you to choose from. In fact, if you went on YouTube, you could find thousands of videos with bodyweight exercises and different variations of each exercise. This video is not about which exercise is best because each has its own pros and cons. This video is about doing the exercises that you need to do. No individual is the same, and your strengths and weaknesses will be different from other people. So, knowing how to reduce your weaknesses and increase your strengths is of paramount importance. For example, push-ups are a fantastic bodyweight exercise, and you may be able to do 100 without breaking a sweat. Yet doing many of these will not necessarily translate to being able to do more pull-ups, and you may find that you struggle to do more than 5 pull-ups. That's the catch here. Number 1, specific training. To get better at a specific bodyweight exercise, you should do more of that exercise. Want to do more pull-ups? Then you'll need to do more pull-ups as part of your training. You may use ankle weights or weight belt to create more resistance during the movement. This will allow you to do more pull-ups when you don't have any weights on you. Number 2, shore up your weaknesses. When it comes to fitness, there's an unfortunate truth: you lose what you don't use. One movement that many people find difficult to do when they're in their late 30s and 40s is the jump box. Their knees could feel weak, or the act of jumping may seem unnatural. It may appear strange because they could do it much more easily when they were younger. A common mistake they make is believing that they're not as agile now because age has caught up with them. In reality, it's a sedentary lifestyle that has limited their range of motion and explosive strength. With a few weeks of plyometric training, they'll discover that they're more than capable of jumping, and they've regained their ability despite aging. You must know which areas you're weak in and pay special attention to your weaknesses. This will help you to improve. Number 3, core training. Core training should be done daily for about 6 minutes a day. You don't need to dedicate an entire workout to your core. A short session daily is more beneficial. Your core is crucial for keeping your body upright, stable, and healthy. A strong core will improve your physical performance in any type of training. Do planks, mountain climbers, hanging knee raises, butterfly sit-ups, etc. to strengthen your core muscles. To conclude, the best bodyweight exercises you should be doing are the ones that help you to improve, get stronger, and fitter. Focus on the fundamentals and getting as strong as you can with the basic bodyweight exercises before you progress to the advanced ones. You prepare for tomorrow's workout by improving today. For more info, click the link in the comments area.